Picture this: a younger me, filled with dreams and anxieties, navigating the ups and downs of life. I see myself striving for perfection, terrified of failure, and desperate for approval. I yearn to whisper words of wisdom to that younger self, to ease her worries and illuminate the path ahead. One particular memory stands out. I was in high school, consumed by a need to fit in. I spent countless hours worrying about what others thought, my true self hidden behind a mask of insecurity. Knowing what I know now, I would tell that girl to take a deep breath and embrace her authentic self. Your imperfections are what make you beautiful, I would say. Don't be afraid to let your light shine. Those teenage years were a whirlwind of emotions, a constant search for belonging. If I could go back, I would urge my younger self to find solace in her own company, to cultivate self-love and acceptance. The journey of self-discovery is a lifelong adventure filled with twists and turns, but it's in those moments of vulnerability that we truly find ourselves. As we journey through life, we gather wisdom through experience. Hindsight, they say, is 20/20. Looking back, I can see the challenges I faced as opportunities for growth, the heartbreaks as catalysts for resilience. Each stumble, each misstep has led me to where I am today. If I could impart one piece of advice to my younger self, it would be to embrace the unknown with open arms. Life is an unpredictable adventure, and it's in those moments of uncertainty that we truly discover our strength. Don't be afraid to take risks, to step outside your comfort zone. The greatest lessons are often learned through trial and error. Remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to growth. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and emerge stronger on the other side. Life is a journey, not a destination, and it's the experiences along the way that shape us into who we are meant to be. Vulnerability. It's a word that often evokes feelings of discomfort, a sense of exposure we tend to shy away from. Yet, it's in those moments of raw authenticity, when we allow ourselves to be seen, that true connection is forged. I spent a significant portion of my life building walls, protecting myself from the perceived threat of vulnerability. I believed that strength lay in invulnerability, in presenting a stoic facade to the world. It wasn't until I began to dismantle those walls, brick by brick, that I experienced the true beauty of human connection. To my younger self, I would whisper, "Let your guard down, embrace vulnerability. It's in those moments of shared humanity that we find our greatest strength. Allow yourself to be seen, flaws and all. It's in our imperfections that we discover our shared human experience." Perfection. It's an elusive ideal, a mirage that shimmers in the distance but can never truly be grasped. The pursuit of perfection is a recipe for disappointment, a never-ending cycle of self-criticism and inadequacy. Oh, how I wish I could go back and tell my younger self to release the grip of perfectionism. Embrace your imperfections. Celebrate your quirks. It's those unique qualities that make you, you. Don't strive to fit in, dare to stand out. Life is messy and unpredictable. It's in the imperfections, the unexpected detours, that we find the most beauty. Embrace the chaos. Find joy in the journey, not just the destination. And remember, you are enough, just as you are. Section 5. The courage to be yourself. In a world that often encourages conformity, it takes courage to embrace your authentic self. It's easy to get caught up in the need to please others, to seek validation from external sources. But true freedom lies in living a life true to yourself, regardless of what others may think. To my younger self, I would say, don't be afraid to be different. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Embrace your passions, your quirks, the things that make you, you. Don't waste your energy trying to fit in. Shine your light brightly and illuminate the world with your authenticity. The world needs your voice, your perspective, your unique gifts. Don't be afraid to share them with the world. Embrace your authenticity and watch as it inspires others to do the same. Section 6. Letting go of comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. It's a trap that can easily ensnare us, leaving us feeling inadequate and insecure. In the age of social media, it's easier than ever to fall into the comparison trap, constantly bombarded with curated images of perfection. If I could go back and offer my younger self one piece of advice, it would be this. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your journey is unique and your timeline is your own. Focus on your own growth, your own progress. Celebrate your wins, big and small. And remember, you are on your own path, running your own race. Let go of the need to compare yourself to others. Embrace your own journey and watch as it unfolds in its own perfect timing. You are exactly where you need to be. Section 7. The importance of presence. In the blink of an eye, time marches on. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and before we know it, years have passed. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, to let the present moment slip away unnoticed. One of the greatest lessons I've learned is the importance of presence, being fully present in each moment, savoring the simple joys, and cherishing the time we have with loved ones. Put down your phone, disconnect from distractions, and truly connect with the world around you. To my younger self, I would say, be present, savor these moments. Time is fleeting, and these precious moments with loved ones are what truly matter. Don't let life pass you by while you're busy scrolling through your phone. Be present, be grateful, and embrace the beauty of each moment as it unfolds. Section 8. Nurturing family bonds. Family is the bedrock of our lives, the foundation upon which we build our lives. They are our cheerleaders, our confidants, our constant source of love and support. Nurturing those bonds is essential, for it is through those connections that we find true meaning and belonging. I've learned that family isn't always defined by blood. Sometimes our chosen family, our closest friends, become the family we choose. Cherish those relationships. Nurture them with love and care. To my younger self, I would say, make time for family and friends. Nurture those relationships. They are the greatest gift life has to offer. Don't let distance or busyness come between you and the people who matter most. Reach out, connect, and cherish the time you have together. Section 9. The gift of forgiveness, forgiveness. It's a word that can evoke a wide range of emotions, from anger to resentment to a deep longing for peace. Forgiving ourselves and others is not always easy, but it's essential for our own emotional well-being. Holding on to anger and resentment is like carrying a heavy weight on our shoulders. It weighs us down, prevents us from moving forward, and poisons our hearts. Forgiving doesn't mean condoning hurtful actions. It simply means releasing ourselves from the burden of anger and resentment. To my younger self, I would say, forgive. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Holding on to anger only hurts you. Let go of the past. Embrace forgiveness and watch as it frees your heart to experience true peace and joy. Section 10. Living with intention. Life is a precious gift, one that should be lived with intention and purpose. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind, to let our days slip away without conscious thought. But when we live with intention, we make choices that align with our values, our passions, and our aspirations. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you. What are your values? What brings you joy? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Once you have clarity on these questions, you can begin to make choices that align with your vision for your life. To my younger self, I would say, live with intention. Make choices that align with your values. Don't be afraid to pursue your dreams. Life is too short to settle for mediocrity. Embrace your passions, chase your dreams, and live a life that is true to you. Section 11. The journey continues. As I reflect on the lessons I've learned along the way, I'm filled with a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the experiences, both joyful and challenging, that have shaped me into the person I am today. Gratitude for the people who have walked beside me, offering love, support, and guidance. Life is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth, learning, and evolution. Embrace the unknown with open arms. Don't be afraid to take risks, to stumble, to learn from your mistakes. And most importantly, remember to share your wisdom with others. Pass along the lessons you've learned, offer a helping hand to those who are struggling, and be a source of love and light in the world. The journey continues, and it's a journey best shared.